G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. The time is 24 to 11 in the morning. Now I haven't seen these two around for a bit. I do hope you like this video, and if so please subscribe. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. It's nice and sunny, a little bit windy, but have a look at these two. I have not seen these two around for a long time. That's zoomed in halfway. Right. Now, pretty much they're getting the same light. Yeah, the one the closest to us is a much richer colours. Like see the red chest. The other one's massive. Zoom up if I can, full zoom up onto this one. Yeah, see that's a very matted red. Then we're going to zoom up on this one. Colours are just brighter. They're eating in a hurry. So I'll let them go for about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, the lake looks a little bit choppy. Absolutely beautiful. So let's have a quick look at the lake, and then we're going to be going down there and make a video today, and then I'll make one of the ocean. Now, just looking at that picture there, to me that just looks like it's rushing past. Time's rushing past really fast type thing. It's like, that's sort of get that picture, and every time I look down there it's just like everything's rushing really fast. I don't know, it's only an illusion, it's just the wind and that, but oh, you get something. Oh. Okay. Oh well. Anyway, we'll head off. We're going to do another video. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos. And all comments are welcome. To see if this will fly down there. Oh, no, is it? Let's see if it will. Come on. Have a quick zoom in there again. These are skitsy today. Anyway, we'll let them eat. Yeah, thank you. Oh, that looks a beautiful shot though. Look at that. No, that's perfect. Okay, we'll let this run for a little bit longer then. Wow, you can definitely see the colour now. The one on the right hand side has got that really rich red. I think even the yellows and the blues stand out. Even the greens stand out more. And the black I think stands out more. It's more brighter, it's more vibrant would be the word. And the one on the left is the same colours, almost like identical, but it's got a matted, like a washed look to it. I don't know if that's male or female, or if that's age difference. Like even around the eyes, you can see the one on the right doesn't have that whiteness around the eyes, but the white itself though, on the cheeks there, is actually, the only way to describe it is whiter. It's brighter in some ways. Yeah. Well, they do look beautiful. Oh, well. Oh. Got another one just came up here. I was going to say we'll let them off, but oh well. I'm going to head off. We've got this one here. Now this one, do the colours on this one. And zoomed in halfway. It's a tinier bird. This one's definitely brightly coloured. We can zoom in on its head. You can see it's sharp, so it's coloured. See the eyes? They don't have that whiteness around them either. Huh. Oh well, I'm going to let him feed. I'm going to do his own thing. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.